In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the can't start app or game error on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, highlight whatever game it is that's not opening. For example, we'll just say College Football 26, right? Go ahead and highlight it and then of course press the options button on your controller and find this option that says check for update, select it, and then of course make sure that it is updated to the latest version. If it's not, install any update if one is available. If the game's still not starting for you, restart your PS5. You can do this by selecting the PlayStation button on your controller, going over to power and selecting restart PS5 from here. Once it restarts, try opening it up again, but if that's still not working, go to settings up in the top right, select it, and then go ahead and select users and accounts, find other on this left-hand sidebar, find restore licenses, select that, and then find the game on here, choose it and hit restore, and hit yes one more time. You should also try doing a system update. You can back out, go to system, and then of course find system software and find the update system software information right here. Just try updating it if there is one available, but that's going to be the full process right here. That should fix your issue. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.